Alright, my people, you're welcome to CMTV Mock News. I beg, make una not vex on me, make una not vex on me. Many people don't they message me since they don't they tell me say wetin dey happen. CMTV Mock News are not drop. Our editor travel before, so now e don come and we go dey do am back to back. I beg, if you know, na the first time wey you dey lis ten to our news, you dey watch your news, this news so. We no dey talk lie, na wetin our eyes see na we dey talk. Abeg, press this subscribe button. If you press the button finish, see this bell wey I dey see so, press am so that anytime wey we shoot, we bring new news come outside, na you go be first person to get am. Person no come tell you say CMTV Mock News dem don drop another one again. Abeg, if you see anything for your area, you get anything, or you see some kind movement wey you no like, dey come be say you fit capture and fit record am, follow us on CMTV Mock News for YouTube, for Twitter, for Instagram and for Facebook. Send us the message, we go read am. We not tell you make you bring anything, we go read that message, make sure say the word see am. Na true, we can't talk for you, we no dey talk like. Alright, thank you very much. We go go straight to the news of today. Another rubber don tear. Hey, no be small thing o, no be small thing. I no understand wetin dey happen for Benin o. Edo State, e be like say we dey sleep, because you dey see wetin dey happen now, wey e be say before I go show una this thing, I wan go talk something first. I wan talk something because now where gas station, if you see the way e come full Edo State, before you from this kilometer this year, you don see gas station, opposite you don see gas station. For Abuja e no be like this, for other states e no be like this. Edo State gas station, for you for here reach here, gas station, for you for here reach here, gas station. Now the one wey make me dey talk this gas station now, I no know the one wey Aboki people take come. Una wan cross border without say me no know. Una wan cross border. Aboki just full 40-feet container, 40-feet container. Hey, Edo State people, una need to wake up. Una need to wake up, because when I see this thing, my mind those of you who never watch the news,
this afternoon at Jaku Junction in Auchi, Edo State, Fulani herdsmen, a lot of them, I don't know their number, I don't want to put the wrong number, but you can see it on the video. There are a lot of them. Look at them in the pond. We are hiding inside a 40-feet container. Hiding inside a 40-feet container. Can you tell me, what are these 500 men hiding inside a 40-feet container for? And heading to the south. What are these men hiding inside a 40-feet container and heading to the south? I beg every Southerner, wherever you are, Edo State, Delta State, Abia State, Igbo State, Rivers, Bayelsa, Kweko, Cross River, wherever you are, be at alert. Like I said, I don't know what is going on, but something is definitely going on. It cannot be by mistake that just last night, that Governor Wike personally arrested people hiding inside a trailer. And this afternoon, in Edo State, at the Jaku Junction in Auchi, more than 500 Fulani herdsmen are hiding inside a 40-feet container heading south. So that means that there is a coordinated effort to make sure that these people get themselves to the south, irrespective of the lockdown that the so-called government announced. So how can these people be heading to the east when they know that there is a lockdown, when they know that there is restriction of movement from point A to point B, and when there is corona pandemic, that the first law says stay where you are, because this virus does not move, it is transported by people. The same way Ganduje is using Alamajiri boys to be sharing corona all over Nigeria. Now they are using Fulani herdsmen. What are they doing in the south? What are these people doing in the south? Everybody in the south, youth leader, community leader, be you whatever you are, stay at alert. Something is happening, but I tell you, I don't know what that is. But if something is happening, yes, something is happening.
See people inside container. Just imagine. Okay, if they say all these people now, what did they do inside container? Inside 40-feet container, Aboki people, they get stove, they get pot, they get everything to they cook inside container. I don't know wetin dey happen for Benin. I don't know wetin dey happen. They try enter Benin and they catch them. Okay, the ones wey don enter now wey dey score car will come. We no know. Now gas plants dey everywhere they go, and I know say that is very dangerous. Gas na be one thing wey go be say if e don burn you, if you go don even die sef, they ask you wetin kill you, say you no know, you just sleep, no wake up. Before you come know say na gas kill you. So I wan beg our government, abeg. All these things wey dey happen so, una dey put eye for ground. Before one day person dey sleep for inside house, dem come carry am for inside house. Abeg. I dey vex. This news when I dey read so, abeg, government, abeg. Una make sure say all these things, dey check all these things well. Even for this corona season, na dem dey carry, dey enter inside 40-feet container wey dem say make dem dey practice distances. Abeg, mo go straight to the other news, abeg. E don happen again. Another rubber don tear. Changu Shinko. I call this one snake in the monkey shadow. No be small thing o. Oh, but one pastor don shock me for Uganda. The pastor come outside, carry ball come outside. The pastor play ball pass all this Charlie soccer. This pastor dey use ball take dey hit people. If you see the way he dey play the ball, he just dribble the guy just dey create. I no understand. Na ball na him dey come tell Holy Spirit take dey waka now. I no understand though. Now I say this news, I must read am una see am. Oh yeah, those of una wey never watch the news. Oh yeah, show up bye.
You're a footballer.
Oli musambi wa mupira.
Ha! You do it the best.
Ojja chikola bulungi nnyo. Time for the ball.
Sera chakapira.
Here we go. Time for the ball.
Sera champira.
Kakandela mpira. Go! There we go.
I've never seen such kind of thing. Jesus is there.
Yesu wali. Kakande na mpira. Kisera cha kuteba.
Time to score.
We got the football match.
Tugenda mu kisaawe ky'omupiira.
I'll go with Jesus.
Nze njagenda ne Yesu.
I don't need to bother you.
Seetaka kutawaanya.
No.
Nedda.
I'll just walk slowly.
Ntambula butambuzi mpola.
Come,
Nenyigira
three of you.
ekisaawe mujje basatu. Time for the ball. Time to score. Kakande na mpira. There we go. Kakande na mpira. Aya.
Did I cheat them?
No, you didn't.
You have not cheated them.
Toba.
I know what it is.
Manje kitegeeza.
Oh, but this pastor don't go kill me with laugh. I may put a picture for him and they see her. You do play ball. See person, say you dey play ball. You just dribble ball. Even you say you never even know where you dey play the ball dey go. You just play the ball the way. All these people now just dey use God take dey add drama. Take dey collect money, take dey do things for people. But show me out. Alright, abeg. See, as I dey talk about bad pastors, my side go dey talk about good pastors. Pastor wey talk truth, wey dey do good, we go always dey talk am. The one wey just see dey do bad, we go always dey talk am. I don see many people don dey preach about tithe. Dem say if you no pay your tithe for church, you go die. If you no pay your tithe for this one, you go die. If you like say your mama dey die, no carry the tithe, no use am help am. If you like say your papa dey die, no touch tithe. Make sure say that 10% you carry am come church, come take help, go take pay for church. Stingy pastors. One pastor don come outside from WOW Catholic Church oh, but na God go bless this pastor. I bet put a picture. Those of una wey no know the pastor, na pastor be this. He don't come outside, go explain and give person, go explain am where the way e supposed to dey be. Those of una who never watch where the pastor dey talk am, oh yeah, she wan come back.
If you are coming to the church with your tithe of 20,000, you just received your salary, and you want to pay your tithe of 20,000, and as on your way you met an accident, and somebody is almost going to die, and if you don't intervene, or if you didn't intervene with that 20,000, person will die. And that's all the spare money you have. The other money you have allocated it for feeding, school fees, so much so that if you touch any of them, one aspect of your life will suffer. Either your children will go hungry or they will not go to school. Carry that tithe of 20,000 and save the life of that person who is about that. Then when you come to the church and your man of God calls for tithe payers, as others are coming, you should also do what? Come and receive your blessing, because you have paid your tithe in the temple that was in trouble. Then come and receive your blessing here. I've heard some people say that if you give that tithe to that person who is dying, you have cheated God. It's not true. You have not cheated God. You have only robbed the greedy man of God of excess. You have not cheated any God. Unless there's another option. If you are buoyant enough that you still have spare money that you can take from and replace your tithes after that, that's okay, you can do it. But if that 20,000 is all you have, and there is no other spare money, you have already budgeted for your tithe, and you met that situation there that involves life and death, or even somebody who is hungry and does not have anywhere to eat, give the person the money. That is God. That God there is hungrier than the one you are coming here to see. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Am I saying you should not give to the church? That's not what I'm saying. Listen very attentively to Jesus. So search the scripture.
Una dey see pastor. You see pastor. When person dey come like this, you see person wey wan die, and na only your tithe dey with you. Help am. No be only church dey pay tithe. God fit stay for road now. They go just make I test this my pikin. You go see the motherless baby's home. You go see beggar for road. You say no, na pastor you wan go give tithe. I see some this corona matter, some y'all come outside. As the year come outside now, corona matter y'all come where they lock church. Before I know, they don't use phone till they pay tax. Phone till they pay all free. Don't they do online church? Nigeria people, I don't know when una go change. When I go change, I better go straight to the other news. Alright, my people, not be smart thing. I dey always talk and say, you see this news, I dey read this news because of all these women, most especially all these women now, these mothers wey dey see now, all these mothers wey dey see now wey be say their children go dey your pikin never reach 13 years. Ṣé wọ́n ní ma kó ṣòwò kò ń ṣe wàá? I know say you no fit understand wetin I dey talk. Your pikin never reach 13 years, your pikin go comot for house, you no go ask am where e go. You go gree make e go party, make e follow e friends go party. You no go know where e go. Before you know, something go happen. Before you know, you don dey exhibit one kind bad character. Before you know, you don go dey do miliki for corner. You no know wetin you go see for party where you go. Abeg, I wan beg una, if you know say you no fit follow your pikin go party, or no be you the party, no be your party, the party wey dey for invite you, your pikin dey go, no dey gree make your pikin comot for house. No dey gree. I go play the video of wetin I see wey make me dey talk this thing. So women yo dey no sabi dey take care of their pikin. I know say yes, father still dey join, but na women na im near pikin pass. Anything dey happen, na mama dey first notice, because why? Na dey close to the pikin pass. Those of una who never watch the video wey make me dey talk like this, so oya ṣì wọn kò bá. See the kind mumu dance where these children they dance for here. Where these children they dance. Tell me say these children now their father and their mother go dey here, they go gree make these children they dance this kind of dance, make they do this kind of thing. I don't understand the way this country come dey go, the way some kind of things come to dey happen for this world. Whether na this one go happen the time of Noah wey make God come spoil, use water destroy everything, make all the children everybody just make dem wipe away, dem wipe everything comot. I don't know whether na this kind of thing na cause am. Just imagine dance wey dem dey dance at this age. Abeg, I wan beg all of una, abeg. This mock news, I go always dey tell una the truth and I no go lie. So abeg, I wan beg all of una. I use God beg you. Dey make sure say your pikin, you know where e dey, the kind place wey dey go. Train your pikin the way you wan make e take grow. Tomorrow na if you say for road, you say my pikin e just dey exhibit one kind character wey I no know. Na your fault. Na your fault. Na your fault. Na you fail as a mother. So abeg, I wan beg all of una, make we dey take care of our children well, because na the way we take train them, na dem go take grow. Thank you very much. I remain your boy MC Chanamat, aka Anodila, aka last Abadabidi na ABC, aka Uno Sabi Rights, Go Sabi Council. I want to thank you all for watching this week CMTV Mock News. And I tell you say more, I go still bring more. They come for now. Thank you very much.